Hello guys. Hello. Are you guys there? Hello. Long time no see, yeah? No see so good, lah. No. Just kidding, no. So how was your holidays? Have you already switched off your vacation mood? Have you already switched off? Huh? Already? Vacation mood is off like Bilalo. Chene lady. Tamo she on her mela. Vacation mood le on la off la gua. Ma on la.
Because tomorrow is Saturdays again.
Hey, yeah, so that's why I'm just asking you, still on or off? Okay. Okay, so only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 of you. How about Ellie? Wait. Okay, so shall we start now? Are you guys ready? Angchan Bai, are you there, Angchan?
Yes.
Ellie, not yet. And wait. Sui, Sume, Ingrid, absent. Sui, absent. Lawang, absent. Liz, what about Liz? Are you there, Liz?
Yeah, Chair.
Hazel,
Present chair.
Tiffany,
Present chair.
Kevin,
Present teacher.
Idra. What about Idra?
She also took a leave.
Oh yeah, Idra as well. Okay. Okay, so that is all for today. Okay, so shall we start now? Are you guys ready? By the way, did I give you any homework? Teacher ဟိုကလေဗာလဲဆိုတော့ activity books တဲကဟာတွေတော်တော်များများ homework တွေပေးတော့မယ်နော်ဆိုတော့ဒီ challenge လေးနောက်ပြကြံနေကြရလို့ခံစားရတော့အခြားဆရာမတွေနေကြတော့လေအဲ့တော့ဒီ show တွေနဲ့လေး run through လေးလုပ်ကြမယ်နော် run through လေးလုပ်ကြမယ်ဆိုတော့workbook တွေဒီ challenge တွေမလုပ်ပဲနဲ့ homework တွေပေးလိုက်မယ်နော် activity books ကတော့ဒီ challenge တွေပဲတော့မှာပါနော် no worries နော်အဲ့တော့ homework လေးတော့ပုံမှန်လုပ်ပေးပါနော် please Okay, so shall we start now? Ready, guys? Yeah. Okay, so now we are working on course book. I think I have then working on this one, determiners, predeterminers. I think we have done that one, if I'm not mistaken. Am I correct? Yeah, right? Now we are going to talk about this one. Okay, by the way, how many of you guys do you think you are green? You are green person. How many of you guys thinks you are green one? For example, for me, I could say that I'm a green one because, you know, I like to collect the plastic bag, you know, and I like to reuse it whenever I go to the like shopping or whatever. So yeah, I could say that I'm a green one. And also I like to switch off all the time. I mean, not all the time. I mean, like if and necessary, I don't use the light turn or something like that. So I could say that I'm a like green person. So what about you guys? Also in the Indonesia, you know, where whatever we buy, they put into the paper bag. not into the plastic bag. So it is, we can say that Indonesia is also a green country. Okay, so in that way, what do you think of yourself? Do you think you are a green one or not? If you think you are a green one, raise hand please. If you think you are a green one, raise hand please. It's okay if you adopt a one or two, things, it's okay. Just 1, 2, 3, then. You never waste the water or something like that. အဲ့လိုမျိုးပေါ့နော်ကိုရေသုံးရတာမကြိုက်တာတို့အဲ့လိုလေးပေါ့နည်းနည်းအလေးထားလေးရှင်းလဲ reason လုပ်လို့ရပါတယ်နော် Ellie no
Because I normally use a phenomenal amount of water every time I shower.
Okay, how about Suyadi? Can you think
Actually,
you are a green one?
my green side and like the side I use is like kind of equal. So I wouldn't
And-
really say I'm a green person, but I am not that type of like polluted person either. Just
Okay, so now guys, now we are going to work in pair. Actually, I want you to make it into groups. In your groups, you have to ask each other these questions. Okay, so while waiting for the hand making a host, you need to reflect yourself. Okay, you need to reflect yourself and then answer these questions. You yourself, no? Okay, could you please? If you don't know some of the word, yeah, of course you can search in the Google. Now, so let's do it. This one is on page number 58.
Teacher, by the way, you did like one project to work on a poster.
Yeah, I'll be waiting your project. Have you guys done?
Yep.
Yeah, so please send it to my Viber, if you don't mind. Could you please?
Okay.
Yeah. I think one of you guys already sent me, one from Hazel. I think Hazel group. Yeah, right? Okay. I need to check tonight. Have you done? You and Chair, only just two of you. I think in one group there will be three people, right?
Yeah, but the other one did nothing.
Who is it? Amelia? Okay. Okay, so shall we discuss now? Hello. Can I ask you questions? Okay. Okay, start. Okay, yeah. Okay, how many eco-friendly products have you got? If you have got like one, raise hand please. If at least one, raise hand please. If you have eco-friendly product, raise hand please.
By the way, teacher, do I need to raise hand if I have more than one?
Sorry?
Do I need to raise my hand if I have
No,
more
at
than
least you have one. If you have eco-friendly, you can raise your hand. Not like not more than one. Yeah, if you have at least one. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So can you name the product, please? Amchan, what have you got? Will you Amchan buy? What kinds of
Actually, I got
product?
B.
Sorry?
Actually, I got B.
B1. Yeah. So what is it? Can you name one? Can you name me, please? What kinds of product have you got?
Like a solar power charger and like a solar powered
Solar power charger.
yeah, solar
And
power charger and
is it good to use?
yeah, it's good to use when there is no electricity.
Oh, I see. Is it expensive?
I don't think it's that expensive.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay. So we can use it to charge what? To charge what?
Mobile devices such as
Oh.
tablets and phones.
Oh, okay, great. Okay, how about Hazel?
I've got flashlight that can be charged with like solar power.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, great. How about you, Yedi?
Actually mine isn't like that, but mine is like instead of like water cooler or something, we only use like how can I say, the pot or something. It's like traditional one instead of the water
Oh,
cooler.
it's kind of like a clay one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Okay, then how about Linla?
Yeah, I have solar power.
Solar power.
Yeah.
What kinds of solar power? I mean, yeah, of course you got the solar power from. How do I say? By using what? I mean, what kinds of thing it is? What kinds of product it is?
Um,
Solar charger or solar how do we call it? So relating to the solar နဲ့ပတ်သက်ဘာရှိရအောင်เนาะ solar
Uh,
charger ရှိမယ် and then
yeah, solar charger, yeah.
solar charger.
It's used by from sun. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you. And next one, what do you think about agreeing to spend no more than
Teacher,
2 minutes in the shower?
teacher,
Yeah.
I have more than one for number one, so I didn't raise hand.
Yeah, of course. That is why I told you that if you have an eco-friendly product, at least one. At
Oh.
least one. Yeah. တစ်ခုအနည်းဆုံးရှိရင်တော့လက်ထောင်ပေးပါလိเนาะဆိုတော့အဲ့တော့တမီးမရှိရဘာကြီးရှိရအောင်ပြောပါအောင်အများကြီးဆိုတော့
Oh no, just two, like solar lamp and like rectangular shaped solar, and it gives the power to use Wi-Fi and light the bulbs when we don't have electricity.
It's cool. I think it's expensive, right?
Perhaps, I don't know.
Okay. So for number two, what do you think? If you think you just spend 2 minutes in the shower, I don't think no one, right? Huh? Oh, Chan, Yeti, Lila. Seriously? Only 2 minutes?
I know, I take like 5 minutes.
No, 2 minutes. So maybe I think we usually spend at least 5 minutes, right, in the shower. Not at least 5 minutes. But you know, some of the girls, I don't think so. I don't think the men like to use more time in showering. But for the girls, they like to have a like the different stuff, you know, for their skin. So I think the girls might take their more time, right, in the shower. So if you take more than 10 minutes, raise hand please. If you take more than 10 minutes, raise hand. Oh, okay. Why do you take more than 10 minutes? Ellie, how many minutes you like to spend?
Normally I have to use above 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
Yeah,
It's
because
too much,
I
think,
have
right?
I don't know why. I do it quickly as much as I can, but you know, the time went gone so quick.
Yeah, maybe you are singing in the shower room, maybe. That is why it takes 15
No,
minutes.
I just listening to music.
Okay, how about Hazel? How many minutes to me?
Maybe around 20 minutes.
20
Sometimes
minutes?
it take,
Seriously?
yeah, sometimes it take 30s or 40 because I have to wash my own clothes.
I see. Cool. So but not only for the showering, but for the washing stuff, for your laundry. Okay.
Yeah.
So if you don't have like some clothes for laundry, so how many minutes you usually take it?
Maybe 15 to 20 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. I think it's much, right? For
I
me,
don't know.
normally I used to take like I take only like 10 minutes, around 10 minutes. But someday like I have to wash my hair or maybe like a spa day. The girl have a like their special spa day, right? So of course it takes like 20 minutes or 30 minutes, something like that. But not all the time, but only just for like special occasion, no? How about Yeti?
For me, I take like 15 minutes because when I shower, like I
You play
need
with the
to be
water.
sure. Yeah, I like to play with water sometimes, but mostly I need to like, shower like how can I say cool water on myself like for a long time because my skin like it when I shower like way too quick, my skin doesn't really feel like, I have showered. It just feel the same as
So
like
you feel
unshowered
like you are
moment. So
dirty.
yeah, that's why I feel like that. That's why I take pretty long in the shower.
But I think it's unnecessary, not the it shouldn't be like that, So maybe 10 or 15 minutes is enough for everybody. No, not more than that. No, so okay. Anyway, okay. So now we're going to talk about biomass generator. If you know about biomass generator, raise hand please. Or if you have seen biomass generator, raise hand please. If you have seen biomass generator, raise hand please. No one? Hello, no one? But do you know biomass generator? What do you think? What do you think? What is biomass generator? So they have already provided you A, B, C. Which one?
I think it produces energy from like the trashes we don't use, like the original trashes, like not like plastics, but
So which one are you going to choose? A or B or C?
B.
C.
No, B.
B. Okay. So Hazel, what about you to me?
I chose B as well.
B. Okay. And Yeri?
Same with the others, B.
Okay. And what about Kevin? Chen, Linla?
I also chose B.
You also choose?
B.
B. Okay. How about Chen?
I chose like C.
Actually,
think-
we must choose C, it converts plant material into energy. Now, I have seen once, teacher တခုတွေ့ဘူးတာလေမြန်မာလိုတော့မပြောတတ်ဘူးactually ဟိုကလေ young how do we say it maybe some of you guys might know it. So if we visit to the other, farm places, some of the, how do we call it? Some of the people, they like to use the feces from the, chicken or the chicks or something like that. How do we call it? ဘယ်လိုပြောလဲလူတွေဒီဟိုကနေမစင်လေးသိရမလားဒီကြက်တို့ဘာတို့ညာတို့သိရမလားအဲ့လိုမျိုးအကောင်တွေမွေးရကွာမွေးပြီးသွားလို့ရှိရင်အဲ့အကောင်တွေရဲ့အဲ့ physics နဲ့ပဲ तू ကဟိုဟာလေဗာလေအဲ့ကြက်တွေငှက်တွေမွေးတဲ့လောင်အိမ်တွေကိုပဲမီးပြန်ပေးရလေတွေ့ဘူးလားမသိဘူး
I've heard
ချက်
once
ချီးရငှက်ချီးရပေါ့ကွာသိရမလားအဲ့ကောင်တွေပြန်သုံးပြီးတော့ ਨੇ သူ generate လုပ်ပြီးတော့အဲ့လောင်အဲ့ချက်ချီးရငှက်ချီးရထားတဲ့ဟိုဟာလေးသိရမလားချယ်ရီရဲ့မွေးမြူလေးအိမ်လေးတွေလေအဲ့အိမ်လေးတွေထဲကို तू ကမီးလုံးပြန်ပေးရအပူငွေ့ပြန်ပေးရလေမီးသီးလေးတွေပြန်ပြီးတော့မီးပြန်ပေးရလေတွေ့ဘူးလားယင်နဲတွေမှာဆို
အဲ့
တိတ်
ဒါ
တုံး
တော့
နေ
မသိဘူးချေနဲ့ဟိုအရင်တော့အတော်ကအဲ့ဒါမျိုးတော့လုပ်ဘူးလေဒါပေမဲ့ဒီအပူပြန်ပြရတော့မဟုတ်သူတို့ကဒီအောက်မှာမြေပုံကျသွားတာဆိုတော့အဲ့မြေတွေကိုယူပြီးတော့မြေဩဇာအနေနဲ့သုံးတာပဲတွေ့ဘူးလေအဲ့လိုမျိုးအပူပြန်ပြရတော့မသိ
သုံး
ဘူး
တာလည်းရှိရနော် Okay so ဟုတ်တယ်မြေဩဇာအနေနဲ့ချဲတို့ကလည်းဒီ Bobby King တွေဘာတွေမှာပြန်သုံးတာပဲလည်းရှိရလေနော်မစင်ပါညာဟောဒါပေမဲ့တချို့ကကျတော့ generate လုပ်ပြီးတော့ဒီခုနကပြောတဲ့ electricity ပြန်ပြီး produce လုပ်တာလေးလည်းရှိရနော်အဲ့တော့ဒါလည်းထိုနည်း၎င်းပဲ biomass generator is kind of like that but it convert plant material into the energy နော် तू ကလည်း तू က produce energy ပဲပေါ့ B လိုပဲဒါပေမဲ့ तू ကတော့အဓိကချေတို့ကဒီဟွာတွေကိုပြန်သုံးပြီးမှ plant material ပြန်သုံးတာ energy produce ပြန်လုပ်တာပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့ C ပေါ့နော် but biomass generator is very popular in Singapore and is quite expensive now mostly they like to use the biomass generator in every factories ဆိုတော့ဒီဟာကကြတော့ဒီချေတို့ဒီမြန်မာနိုင်ငံမှာတော့ I'm not too sure เนาะခုနချေပြောတဲ့ဟာလေးတွေပချစ်လေးတော့မြင်ဘူးတယ်အဲ့လိုနယ်တွေပါသွားရင်လေဒါပေမဲ့တကယ် factory မှာသုံးတာတော့ I'm not too sure about it ဒီချေတော့တိတ်မသိဘူးเนาะအဲ့လိုမျိုး biomass generator သုံးမသုံးတော့တောင်းရင်လည်းသုံးမှာပေါ့เนาะချေတို့လက်လန်းမမီရဖြစ်မှာပေါ့ဒါပေမဲ့ဒီလိုမျိုးတိုးတက်တဲ့နိုင်ငံတွေ Singaporean တို့ဘာလို့မှာဆိုရင်တော့ biomass generator အရန်နာမည်ကြီးတယ်အရန်လည်းသုံးတယ်ပေါ့เนาะ if you want to know more you can google it เนาะ and then read it เนาะ okay then next one number 4 what is a low energy light bulb but if you know about low energy light bulb raise hand If you know low energy light bulb reason, or if you choose anything else from ABC, so just tell me what you pick up, A or B or C.
I've chose C.
C,
B,
okay. I think
maybe.
most of you guys might choose C, right? So this, yeah, of course, a low energy light bulb mean it is longer lasting and doesn't use as much electricity as other light bulbs. So if you have got that kinds of bulbs at home recently, I think it is also famous nowadays. Most of the people like to use that one.
I think I have one or two. I'm not sure because my dad doesn't normally open that bulb.
Mm-hmm.
You know
Yeah. Mhm. So if you have got that kind of bulb at home recently, it's longer lasting and doesn't use as much electricity as other light bulbs. Do you think it is a useful one?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is we call like low energy light bulb, no? Okay, got it? And next one, number 5. In energy term, what makes a car green? So pick up one, please.
C.
Okay, if you think A, raise hand, please. It's talking about size or it's about C?
C.
Okay, if you pick up C, raise hand, please. If you choose C, raise hand. So do you think it is also a useful one? Or have you ever seen that one in Myanmar? Do we have that kind of car? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, but I heard that it is very hard to, plug. It takes only like hour. It's not we don't need to use the petrol all time, but it takes an hour or like a half an hour to charge the car. It's kind of like a battery car, but the problem is that it's not quite famous, so it's very hard to find a charger station. So if you are on the light highway, it's very hard to find out that kind of, charger station, no? ကျွန်တော်က gas station တွေကတော့များတယ်ဆိုပေမဲ့ charge station ကတော့မရှိသလောက်နည်းလို့ကြားတယ်။နော်အခုမြန်မာမှာ3တယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ရှားတယ်ပေါ့ကွယ်နော် it's too rare လို့ပြောရမှာပေါ့နော်အဲ့တော့ but anyway so it doesn't produce much carbon dioxide because it's powered wholly or partly by electricity instead of petrol or diesel နော်ကျွန်တော်ရွေချက်ကတော့ဒီ diesel တွေ petrol တွေပေါ့နော် carbon dioxide မထုတ်အောင်လို့ရွေဆိုပေမဲ့ဒီကောင်းတဲ့နည်းနည်းလေး is kind of hard နော် hard one နော်တချို့နိုင်ငံတွေရှိမှာပေါ့ charger သုံးသွင်းလို့ရတဲ့ station တွေနော် okay anyway and number 6 which of these apply to you if you think A raise hand you don't like switch the light off so if you don't like switch the light off raise hand please. Okay, and then if you think B, I usually put my laptop into sleep mode when I'm not using it. Mode when I'm not using it. Sleep mode don't have clearing. Just two of you. Okay. And see, I switch things off when I'm not using them because I don't want to waste electricity. Okay, if you think you are C, raise hand. Cool, there are 3. Okay, great to hear. Okay, then number C, is your home energy efficient? I don't know what does the energy efficient mean. I think we use low energy light bulb and see most of the power is supplied by solar cell and we are carefully not to waste electricity. So is your home energy efficient? Raise hand. I think most of the home in Myanmar are energy efficient nowadays, right? You are allowed to use the electricity for like hours. No, but I mean, but I love it. Oh, yeah, like, chero, Yamana Yadi, chero, yeah, so, yeah,
I
average.
think maybe about 3.5 hours.
3, huh? The whole day?
No, 5.5.
5.5. How about on Chan?
I think the same.
Same, right? Okay, that is why he raised his hand, you see? He aware of that. Okay, so what about others? Teacher က no choice ဖြစ်နေရနော် energy efficient ကမဖြစ်ချင်တော့ဖြစ်နေရတာဟဟလားsolar တွေဝယ်ပြီးတော့ခုနလိုပေါ့နော်ပညာကိုကာပြီးသုံးနေရတယ်လို့ပါတော့ဟဟလားနော်အဲ့တော့C ကnumber 7 က no choice လားနော်မြန်မာနိုင်ငံကိုသူကတေချာ train ပေးနေတာ well train လုပ်နေတာနော် energy efficient ဖြစ်ဖို့အတွက် okay okay anyway so now let's continue this one actually, we have already worked on these compound adjective, but you better need to explain in your own way. Okay, so what is eco-friendly? Solar power, low energy, longer lasting, and energy efficient. Could you please find out in the dictionary and note it down in your own way? 5 words, these 5 words. Okay, finish? Hello, finish? If you finish, raise hand, please. Just 1, 2, okay. Okay, shall we check now? Kevin, Linla, Ellie, finish?
Finish.
Kevin? Wait, Kevin?
Wait, yeah, I'm on the last part.
Okay. Okay, so now you need to drop your answer in the chat, okay? You have to send the direct message to me, no? For number 1, eco-friendly. Helpful to environment or not harmful to the environment, not harming to the environment, same, okay, eco-friendly. And then number 2, solar powered. Solar powered. Energy from sunlight. Yeah, correct. Use energy from sunlight or you make energy by using sunlight. Okay, energy from sunlight is better. Now it's quite short and simple. And low energy. What is low energy? Use small amount of energy. Yeah, not using too much energy. Okay, then wait, use a little amount of energy. Yes, correct. Low energy means only using a few energy and or use a little amount of energy. Yeah, it's better. Not use a little amount of energy. Okay, longer lasting. What is a longer lasting? Longer lasting mean that able to use for a long period of time. Yes, correct. Longer lasting mean is it for a long time. Less longer than usual product. Yes, correct. Less longer than usual product. Yeah. Okay. And be endured for a long period of time. Yeah, durable. Yeah, correct. Okay, energy efficient. What is energy efficient? The use of less energy as much as possible. Energy efficiency mean it came from all natural resources. Yeah. It means that in the other way, we can say the use of less energy. No? Okay. Okay, and what else? Energy efficiency means use less energy. Yes, use only energy that is needed without wasting any. Yeah, correct. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for sharing. So I think you got the answer, right? You got all the meaning. Okay, so now we are working on number 3, but before you write a summary, you guys have to chit-chatting, but I'm gonna skip number 3. Okay, you need to reflect yourself and then write a summary in a short way, then send me tonight. Is it okay? Yeah, so let's check these 2 questions. The first one is what do you do in your daily life to be eco-friendly? So for me, I already told you that if needed, if how do I say? if the place is not quite far, so I like to walk to there. I never use like a car or something like that. And I also like to switch off all the light if I don't need it. Okay. And another one is I never waste the water. So I could say that I'm an eco-friendly one. No, so yeah, kind of like that. But daily life မှာကိုဘာလုပ်လဲဆိုတော့ကိုယ့်ကိုနည်းနည်း reflect လုပ်ပြီးတော့ကိုယ်လုပ်တဲ့ဟာတွေရေးလိုက်ပေါ့ and another question is that what are the difficulties for you in being totally eco-friendly? But I think we are trying to be a totally eco-friendly, but we never be eco-friendly one, right? But so if you want to be a totally eco-friendly one, so what kinds of difficulties can you face in your daily life? So you have to think of that and then write it down. Maybe like at least 4 lines is I think is enough. For number 1, you can write down like 2 lines. For number 2, you can write down for like 2 lines. So I think that's enough. Is it okay to send me tonight? Is it okay to send me tonight? Hello? Just reflect yourself and just write it down. Don't use the AI. AI ဘာမသုံးပါနဲ့နော် It's quite simple one. Use your own, you know. Okay, so let's continue this one. Number 5, this is a homework, no? So number 4 is a homework. Homework means assignment for tonight, no, not homework. It's assignment for tonight. And number 5, can you guys read this one? Then we are going to discuss, no? Number 5 little bit bound. Okay, shall we? ဒီကောင်လေးချယ်နည်းနည်းမြန်မာလိုလေးလည်းပြောမယ်နော် Okay, shall we? Hello. Okay, so for number 1, this is all about the energy efficient school around the world. Can we see that kind of school in Myanmar? Can we see that kind of school in Myanmar?
I don't really think so.
Yeah.
Like Myanmar got like some solar, like how can I say? Some use with solar, but not this type of, you know.
And what about others? Kevin, Yeri, Amchan, do you think we have that kind of energy efficient school in Myanmar?
Actually, I just told.
Sorry?
You mean like the similar school with the paragraph 1?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, yeah.
I think no. If I don't know.
You don't know, okay. How about Koyi Amchan Bai, Hazel, Lila? What do you think? For me, I think we don't have yeah, of course we have like this one maybe. So the school is made entirely from the maybe teak, or how do we call it? How do we call it? ဒီတစ်နဲ့လောက်ထားတာတို့เนาะနောက်ပြီးရချယ်တို့စီမှာဘမ်ဘူးနဲ့လောက်ထားတဲ့maybe ဘမ်ဘူးနဲ့လောက်ထားတဲ့ကြောင်းတော့မပြောတတ်ဘူးဆိုရင်ဒီချယ်တို့ဝလုံးဝါးတိုင်လေးတွေတစ်သားတိုင်လေးတွေနောက်ပြီးွားရင်ချယ်တို့ဒီဖြင့်လေးတွေဗာလေးတွေနဲ့လေလောက်ထားတဲ့နည်းနည်းပို့ဗာလေ rural area ကschool လေးတွေကတော့ဒီလိုမျိုးလို့ထင်တာပဲ I think like in the first paragraph no and then of course yeah they don't have electricity because as they are in a rural place right they don't have electricity they have to use the solar energy only not like a solar how do we call it solar devices or something but in other way we are using the natural resources right ဟုတ်လားကျတို့မှဓနိမိုးထရန်ကာအိမ်လေးတွေကျောင်းလေးတွေရှိရလေကျတို့ especially monastic school လေးတွေရှိရဥမာကျတို့ပဲခူးမှာဆိုရင်ကျတို့ဒီဟိုပါပေါ့ဗာလဲဘုန်းတော်ကြီးသင်ပညာသင်ကျောင်းနာမည်ပါလေမိသွားရလို့ကြပါမိသွားလေအရင်နာမည်ကြီးရလေပဲခူးကလေအင်းတော်ကြီးရလေပဲခူးအင်းတော်ကြီးရလေ10 မိုင်ကုန်းတိလားဘုန်းကျောင်းတော်တော်များပေါ့ထားပါတော့လေနော်monastic school လေးတော်တော်များဒီချက်တိတလောက်တော့ဒီလိုမျိုးပေါ့ဘမ်ဘူးနဲ့စောက်တယ်တော့မဟုတ်ဒါပေမဲ့လည်းခုနလိုမျိုးတစ်သားလေးတွေနဲ့ချက်တော့ဓနိမိုးထရန်ကပုံစံလေးပေါ့နော်အလှရှင်လေးလာတော့လဲလာသူပေါ့မလာတော့လဲမလာသူပေါ့ပြီးတော့ချက်တို့ကသူက clean energy တောင်းတယ်ဥမာဆိုပါဆိုရေဆိုလို့ရှိရင်လည်းတွင်းရေပဲတောင်းတယ်လေချက်တို့တွေကတွင်းရေတူးပြီးတော့မှရေပုံးနဲ့လေးဆွဲပြီးတော့လေဟုတ်တယ်မလားနော်လုံးဝတကယ် green ဖြစ်တယ်ကွာအဲ့နေရာ eco friendly ဖြစ်တယ်ကွာသိလားရေစအေးနေရောပဲ
ဒီတွင်းယူသုံးတာ eco friendly ဖြစ်တယ်မတင်ပါဆိုမြေအောက်ရေရှားပါတာရဒီနေစမှုပါရမျိုးဖြစ်စေတယ်ဆို
ဘယ်လိုမြေအောက်ရေ
ဟုတ်တယ်တွင်းတူးရောမှမြေအောက်ကယူသုံးတာကြတော့မြေအောက်ရေရှားပါတာအားပေးရဆိုမြေအောက်ရေရှားပါလို့ရှိရင်ဒီနေစမှုပါ
အဓိကတော့မြေအောက်ရေရှားပါတဲ့
တွင်းရောမှယူသုံးတာ eco friendly ဖြစ်တယ်
မဟုတ်မြေအောက်ရေရှားပါတဲ့အဓိကအကြောင်းလေးကချယ်တို့က global warming ကြောင့်ဟုတ်တယ်လေမဟုတ်လားအဓိကသူကအကုန်လုံးလိုက်ပြီးခန်းလာတာပေါ့ရေအောက်ရေမြေအောက်ရေကြီးအမှန်ဆိုတော့ရန်ကုန်မှမဟုတ်ပါဘူးမြန်မာနိုင်ငံမှမဟုတ်ပါဘူးဘယ်နေရာမှဆိုများသောအဖြစ်ပေါ့နော်များသောအဖြစ်ချယ်တို့မြန်မာဆိုတယံဇာတာပေါ်တယ်လေဘယ်နေရာထောက်ကြီးထွက်တယ်ဟုတ်တယ်မလားသူ့နေရာနဲ့သူပဲတချို့နေရာဆိုရွှေထွက်မဲ့နေရာမှာဆိုရွှေထွက်တယ်ကြောက်စိမ့်ထွက်မဲ့နေရာမှာကြောက်စိမ့်ထွက်တယ်အဲကြောင့်မြန်မာနိုင်ငံတယံဇာတာပေါ်များတယ်လို့ပြောတာလေဟုတ်ဘူးလားနော်အခုလိုမျိုးရှားလာတယ်ဆိုရဲဟာစစ်စနစ်မကြဘူးပေါ့ဟုတ်ဘူးလား နော်အခုနပြောသူပိုက်လိုင်းတွေလောက်တယ်ဆိုရင်တော့ပိုက်လိုင်းကိုဘယ်လိုနေရာမှာပိုက်လိုင်းတွေတော့ထည့်လို့မှမသိရဟုတ်တယ်မလားတချို့ရေကြောကြီးကိုပိုက်လိုင်းတော့ဆောင်းတော့အဲ့နေရာကြီးကိုတော့တွင်ထူလဲပိုက်ကြီးပဲထိုးနေမှာပေါ့ခံနေမှာပေါ့ right ဟုတ်ဘူးလားနော်အဲ့ဒါက system တစ်ခုလိုလေဥမာတချို့မြင့်ရည်ပါဆိုလဲတန့်တယ်ကောင်းတယ်ဆိုပါစို့ဒါပေမဲ့ညက်ပတ်တယ်လေတန်ရှင်းအောင်မထားဘူးပါသိရမလားဒီ natural resource တွေဆိုတာထိမ့်သိမ့်ဖို့လေတုံးလဲထိမ့်လဲအဲ့လိုဖြစ်ရမှာလေအခုကသွားလို့မဟုတ်ဘူးဆိုတော့3ယောက်တက်ပဲသုံးပြီးရင်အခုနောက်ကပူဆိုးတာရောင်းပါစားတာနော်အဲ့တော့သုံးပြီးရင်ရောင်းစားတဲ့အဆင့်ပါရောက်လာနော်အခုကနယ်ဒီမှာelectricity မရတာကိုခဏထားလိုက်တော့ရန်ကုန်လိုမြို့ကြီးမှာ electricity ကနက်မမှန်ဘူးလေဟုတ်လားအဲ့တော့ကျန်တဲ့ကိစ္စဆိုထဲဦးပြောမနေနဲ့တော့နော်အဲ့ကြောင့်ပြောရဲအစိုးရ world trade လုပ်နေတာယူလို့နော် energy efficient ဖြစ်အောင်ဟုတ်လားနော်အဲ့တော့ချက်ခုနပြောသလိုဆိုရင်ဒီထဲမှာ3 kinds လို့ပြောရင်တော့ I think one kind of one kind ကတော့ဒီလိုဟာမျိုးတော့ဖြစ်နိုင်တယ်Now, I'm not too sure they made up with them bamboo or not, but yeah, I think they use only natural resources. Whatever they teach the student, they like to use the authentic materials. Like, for example, if they are going to teach the orange, about orange, so they just pick up just one orange from the market and then they just show it. Now, I don't know, but artificial machine,ရန်ကုန်လိုဆိုရင်ကလေးတွေကိုကွာစာတင်တော့ flash cut နဲ့တုံးပြီးတင်တာလေ orange ကပါလေဆို flash cut လေးထုတ်ပြီးပြနေမှာကြအဲ့လိုမဟုတ်ရော့လိန်မော်တီဒီမှာရော့စားကြည့်ဆိုတော့တကိုက်စီကျွေးရနော်ပုံเจ้าမှာစားတယ်လေနော်ပျော်ဖို့တော့ကောင်းတယ်ချစ်ဖို့လည်းကောင်းတယ်နော်တချို့ဆိုတမပင်အောက်မှာတင်ရတာလေနော်တမပင်နဲ့လေကျုပ်ပြောတော့မယ်လေညောင်ပင်အောက်မှာတင်ရတာလေနော်ညောင်ပင်အောက်မှာတကယ်ကြောက်တင်ပုံမြေဖြူနဲ့တင်ရတာမျိုးလေးပေါ့နော်ဆိုတော့ it's kind of like a eco friendly ပြောလို့ရတယ်Now we mostly use the solar power, right? But solar energy ပဲတုံးပြီးမှချယ်လို့လောက်ကြတာဒီနော်နေဒီမှာပေါ့ဟုတ်တယ်မလားနော်အခုနချက်ပြောတဲ့ခုနနေဒီမှာတွေ့ရဒီကြက်လောင်အိမ်လေးတွေမှာမီးပေးရပါညာဆိုတာလေ it's kind of like a biomass boiler ပဲ but I'm not too sure the school they have got like biomass boiler or micro hydro generator of course they don't have it right Yeah, obviously they don't have it. They just use only like solar power. No? Okay, then how about this one? What do you think? I don't think so, no. We even though we have a hot spring, but we don't use the geothermal energy much in Myanmar, right? Not only in some places we have a hot spring, not everywhere, right? နော်နေရာတိုင်းတော့ geothermal ကမရှိဘူးထင်တာပဲเนาะချေတို့မှာရှိရဲ့ volcano ကလည်းသုံးစားမရတဲ့ extinct ဖြစ်သွားပြီဆိုတော့ anyway so we don't have that kind of right ဟုတ်လားချေတို့မှာဒါတော့မရှိလာဘူးထင်တယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ but we have got like hydroelectric power we got hydroelectric power နောက်တချို့maybe ရွာတွေတချို့ရွာတွေမှာပေါ့ဒီချက်ထင်တယ်လို့တော့လေသူတို့ဒီဆယ်ကြီးရေကာတာကြီးတွေကိုအဓိကအားထားပြီးမှ hydroelectric power တော့ maybe ရှိရင်လည်းရှိမှာပေါ့တေချာတော့ရန်ကုန်ချေတို့မြန်မာကလော်ပိတက်ရေပုံအားကိုးနေရတော့ဟုတ်တယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ school တွေမှာရှိလားဆိုရင်တော့ I don't think so no okay then how about this one
I think no.
No, yeah. So insulated. Do you know insulated? အိမ်မှာတော့ရှိရလေအိမ်ဒီမှာတော့ရှိရ insulated ကပါနဲ့ပါလဲနော်
It's like battery.
Insulated လေ don't you know?
No.
တပူးလေ
Oh, I see.
Yeah တပူးတဲ့ကိုအပူထည့်ပူတဲ့ဟာကိုသူက store လုပ်ပေးထားတာလေတပူးတဲ့ကိုအေးထည့်လိုက်အေးတက်ကို store လုပ်ပေးထားတာလေအဲ့ဒါ insulated တော့ဟုတ်ဘူးလားတပူးလေးနဲ့ပြင်သွားရဆိုတာအဲ့ဒါပဲပေါ့နော်နောက် coffee လေးတွေလက်ဖေးလေးတွေထည့်ပြီးသွားတာလေနော်အဲ့ဒါ insulate လုပ်တာပေါ့အဲ့တော့ဒီမှာပြန်ကြည့်လိုက်ရင် our school in Britain is heated by IHT is we call interseasonal heat transfer So of course the weather there is quite cool, right? Not like in Myanmar, no? So there is a network of water pipe under the playground. When the sun shines, the playground heats up. The water in the pipe, which is stored in the isolated thermal tanks. အဲ့တော့သူကပူတဲ့ဟာဆိုလေအဲ့ thermal tank ထဲမှာသူကအပူချိန်ညှိပြီးတော့တခါလေ store လုပ်ထားတာပေါ့ပူတဲ့ဟာတွေပူတဲ့အချိန်ဟာတွေကလည်း ဟုတ်လားအဲ့ပူတဲ့ဟာတွေကအေးရဲ့အချိန်မှာ release လုပ်ပြီးတော့အေးရဲ့အချိန်မှာ store လုပ်ထားတဲ့ဟာတွေကပူတဲ့အချိန်မှာ release လုပ်တယ် kind of like that အဲ့တော့မြန်မာမှာမရှိဘူးဒါပေမဲ့တချို့တော့ဒီချက်ထင်းနဲ့တချို့တရုတ်ပြည်နယ်တချို့နေရာတွေမှာဆိုရင်တော့အဲ့လိုမျိုးကျတို့ရုပ်ရှင်ကားတွေမှာတွေ့ဘူးလိမ့်မယ်အဲ့လိုမျိုး store လုပ်ထားတဲ့ဟာတွေပေါင်းကြောင်နဲ့တဘာဝမီးဖိုလိုပုံစံမျိုးတွေလေသူတို့အဲ့လိုမျိုးထဲမှာစုထားတာမျိုးရှိတယ်ရုပ်ရှင်တွေထဲမှာပါတယ်ကွာလေးလာကြည့်ရင်တော့တွေ့ဘူးလိမ့်မယ်เนาะဒါပေမဲ့ဒါတော့နည်းနည်းဒါ latest ဟိုဟာတွေဖြစ်မှာပေါ့เนาะဒါကျတို့ technology နည်းနည်းမြင့်တဲ့ဟာတွေပေါ့ဒီကောင်ကြီးကြတော့เนาะwe cannot see that kind of you know things in Myanmar, no? So I think only from these 3 paragraphs, I think we Myanmar have that kind of school. No, only first paragraph, we can see that kind of school, no? But not like a biomass. We don't have a biomass boiler or micro hydro generator. I don't know, machine solar don't like don't. Okay, so any other comments or discussion for number 1 to 3? ဒီတင်ငန်းစာလေးရနည်းနည်းပြောရဆိုတာနည်းနည်းချေတို့နဲ့အရင်လှမ်းဝေးရပေါ့နော်ချေတို့ကျွမ်းကျင်တဲ့ဘိုင်းတော့မဟုတ်ဘူးဆိုတော့နော်နည်းနည်းတိတလောက်မှတ်တလောက်ယူလို့တိကြားဘူးတဲ့ဟာလေးထည့်ပြောပြပါနော် If you have any comments or any discussion, yeah, feel free to add more, please. Anything else? တော့ချေကြားဘူးနောက်လည်းလမ်းမိတလောက်လေးရှောက်ထည့်ပြပါနော်နော်
I don't really have anything to say, but I think it's good. I kind of like the last one.
Okay,
But in Myanmar, I think like
yeah.
instead of heat, I think we need like the how can I say it? We need the coolness more because in summer it's very hot and we can't even survive.
Yeah, of course. But it's very hard to store the, cold one because we don't have any winter, we don't have any more winter. ချေတို့ငယ်တော့ကတော့မှအေးလိုက်သေးရဲ့ဒီလား winter က winter နဲ့တူသေးရဲ့ကျတို့ကံမကောင်းတာချေတို့လည်းမိရဆိုမှအရန်ကြာပြီတော့မဟုတ်ခဲ့ဘူးဒီချက်ထင်တယ် maybe around like fourth grade or fifth grade က final ထင်တာပဲနောက်ဆုံးထင်တယ်အဲ့နောက်ပိုင်းမှာဘာ no more winter ပဲနောက် winter တော့ရှိရဒါပေမဲ့မနက်ခင်းလောက်ပဲ breeze လေးတွေပါလေးနည်းနည်းရရကွာကျန်တဲ့အချိန်က is very hot เนาะငယ်တော့ချေဆုတ်ခဲ့ရသေးတယ်ကျတို့တော့မသိဘူးရန်ကုန်ဆောင်ကချေဆုတ်ခဲ့ရသေးမမနဲ့အတူတူဖတ်ပြီးအိတ်တာလေးမမရတဲ့လည်းမတဲ့ဘူးသိရလားကဲမမလေးပြေးချလိုက်တာဆိုပြီးလို့ဆောင်းကြီးတစ်ခုကမှခြုံပြီးတော့တူတူဖတ်အိတ်တာပေါ့လို့သိရနောက်မမရအဲ့တော့အေးသေးရပေါ့နော်နောက်ပိုင်းတော့လုံးဝမအေးတော့ဘူး
တမျိုးစမှာလည်း ED ရဲ့
ရှင်း
တမျိုးစမှာလည်း ED ရဲ့ခုတည်
နေရီကတော့ဟုတ်တယ်ရန်ကုန်ဆောင်းကတော့မရှိတော့ရန်ကုန်မှာဆောင်းဆိုတာမရှိတော့မမဆောင်းကလွယ်ရင်ကျန်တဲ့ဆောင်းမရှိတော့နော်ဒီလိုဆောင်းမြင်ကျမမဆောင်းလိုက်ရှာပြီးကြည့်မှရတော့မယ်နော် any ဆောင်းမရှိတော့ okay နော်
ရန်ကုန်ဆောင်ကအခုကနေ့လယ်ပိုင်းနေဆိုရင်နွေရာသီလောက်ပူတယ်
ဟုတ်တယ်နေရာဒီလိုပဲပူတယ်ပို့ဆိုတော့ဗောမီးရလည်းမရှိတဲ့ခါကျတော့နော်ပို့ပြီးဆိုတော့ဗောသူတွေရဲ့ဟိုဟာပို့နေရတာ it's really bad no okay so now we are going to continue the power of nature so imagine a day without electricity what would it be like guys for Myanmar people it's a normal right huh Malay
we have solar
သူတို့စကားလုပ်ပြီးပြောနေတယ်မြန်မာမှာ just not one day we have been through like for 2 or 3 days right huh one day လောက်ကတော့တာယာအိတ်စေပဲလို့เนาะပြန်ပြောလိုက်ရမှာเนาะ okay ပြောမြအောင်မြန်မာနိုင်ငံ Greenwich Center မှာတင်မလားမသိเนาะတကမ္ဘာလုံးတိုင်းတာနဲ့ဟာသူများနိုင်ငံတွေက one day have you ever seen a movie but I just forget the top I mean the title of the film so in that film there is no internet. There's no, how do we call it? Yeah, there is no internet, data, Wi-Fi. They cut off everything. They cut off electricity. အဲ့ဟာအကြောင်းရိုက်ပြထားတဲ့ဟာကြည့်ဘူးလားနော်။နာမည်ကြီးရပြောချက်လည်းမကြည့်ရသေးဘူး နည်းနည်းစာကြည့်ပြီဒီချက်ပြန်ပြီး title ပြန်သိရပြန်ပြောရင်တော့
Teacher,
အဲ့ဒီကဘာလုံးဒီ connection မရှိတော့တာပေါ့ internet connection ပြတ်တောက်သွားတာဘာတွေဆက်ဖြစ်လဲဆိုတာပေါ့
teacher, actually we have experienced that. We don't even need to watch a movie.
yeah ဒီချက်လဲလို့ပဲလေဒီချက်ရဲ့ဒီဟိုဟာကြီးဘာလဲ When I was in Jakarta, I was robbed with my iPhone or something like that, right? So I lost all my data. Now, but I'm alone in the Jakarta city. There is no one I know. So, I have to go to the police station and something like that. And it's kind of like a nightmare, you know. ရုတ်တရက်ကြီးဘေးမှာလူတယောက်မှမပါပဲနဲ့ရှိရမှာဖုန်းကိုအတုံးချပြီးတော့ကွာပတ်စံကလည်းဖုန်းထဲမှာပဲမှန်တိုင်းပြောရင်ကျတို့က banking နဲ့သွားတာဆိုတော့ပတ်စံကလည်းဖုန်းထဲမှာ data တွေကလည်းဖုန်းထဲမှာရှိသမျှ connection ဒီ connect လုပ်ရတဲ့လူတွေအားလုံးကလည်းဖုန်းထဲမှာကားခေါ်တာ grab ခေါ်တာဘာညာပေါ့အဲ့ဒါတွေကလည်းဖုန်းထဲမှာပဲဆိုတော့ဒီချက်ကကိုနဲ့မရင်းနှီးရဲ့မသိတဲ့နိုင်ငံအစိမ့်တက်တဲ့မြို့လက်ကောင်တက်တဲ့မှာရောက်နေတာစဉ်းစားကြည့် imagine that နော်အဲ့တော့ကိုယ်လာပြီးတော့ rob လုပ်သွားတာမြို့လက်ကောင်တက်တဲ့ဒီမှာစဉ်းစားကြည့်တော့နော်အဲ့တော့အဲ့ထဲကိုပါသွားတဲ့ခါကျတော့လက်ထဲမှာပတ်စံလည်းမရှိဘူးကွာနော်ပြီးသွားရင်နောက်ပြီးတော့ဖုန်းခေါ်ဖို့ကလည်းဖုန်းကလည်းမရှိဘူးကွာ contact လုပ်ကြဘယ်သူခေါ်လို့ကောင်းလဲဒီဘာသာစကား language barrier လည်းရှိသေးတယ်သူတို့ကလည်း English လို့မသိဘူးကွာအဲ့မှာတိုင်းနေပတ်ချက်ပဲနော်ကြောက်စရာကြီး anyway no it's kind of like nightmare ပဲ check တော်တော်ကြောက်စရာကောင်းတယ်နော် okay အဲ့တော့တချို့ဒီဟာလေးဆက်သွားကြည့်အောင်နော် so imagine a day without electricity တဲ့Yeah, every day, no, every day we are living in a no electricity world, Jerua, Kabayima ni tiny care, no, Myanmar. Okay, so now we are going to read the descriptions of various sources of energy. What are renewable and renewable? Okay, so before we talk about the power, you need to talk about energy, no? So, which is renewable and another one is non-renewable. What is renewable and what is non-renewable? Any idea? Can you drop your answer in the chat, please? What is renewable energy? Let's start from renewable energy. What is renewable? What is renewable energy? If you are not sure, you can glue it, then drop it here. Now, what do you think are renewable energy? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so what kinds of energy are renewable energy? Yeah, I now you guys are typing me the like definitions of the renewable. Yeah, I know. Energy that is produced from the natural resources like sunlight, wind, etc. Yes, yeah, correct. So renewable energy include like solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, something like that. No? So these are the examples of the renewable energy, right? Okay, then now let's talk about non-renewable energy. Non-renewable energy. Ellie, I know that it is the opposite of renewable energy. To me, now huh? Can you give me the example for the non-renewable energy? Yeah, oil or gas or yeah, fossil fuel. Yeah, fuel, nuclear energy. Yeah, something like that. Okay, great. Okay, great. So now you guys know what is renewable, non-renewable, right? Hello? Yeah. Okay, so now we are going to answer these questions. So can you guys work on number 2? What is the wind turbine? So here you guys will see the wind turbine. What are radioactive substances? What are the differences between fossil fuel and nuclear fuel? And can you only produce geothermal energy in the volcanic area? Why or why not? And also number 5, which of the energy sources described would be most suitable for future energy provisions in your country and why? Okay, let's do it. Number 2 is you need to research in the Google, no? So what is a wind turbine? So do you think wind turbine is a, how do we call it? Is it useful one? It also got the pros and cons, no? Some people living near the wind turbine can get the heart disease, I mean, kind of like health problem. Now they got the heavy headache or something like that. Okay, anyway, we're gonna talk about it later. So first you need to work on number 2, 1 to 5. Let's do it. Okay, finish, shall we?
Teacher, not yet.
Not yet, okay. Okay, while you are working on 1 to 4, I just want to know about number 5 question. Do you have any idea for our country? So what kinds of energy sources described would be most suitable for our future energy provision in our country, and why? Anyone?
It's definitely solar. Like we are already using, but it's definitely solar because like our country is like how can I say? Our country has long summer and short winter, and even though if it's winter, it's still like sunny. So like the sunlight, we get sunlight every day, every time. So like in like except for rainy season, in rainy season we might get like rain, but
Oh
it's
my
like
God.
enough rain compared to the other seasons because like only for like 5 months in year we only have like the rain, which is enough. So I think solar energy is definitely the most suitable because like we get too much sunlight.
Okay, thank you for sharing, Yeri. And anyone else? Any idea? Yeri mentioned that solar energy is the best, the most suitable one for our, country. So what about guys? Others? Anyone? Any different idea or same idea? Okay, so I think we better stop here today. Coming Monday, we are going to discuss again. As a homework, don't forget to work on this one, number 4. Okay, then you have to send me tonight, not later than 9 p.m. No? And one more thing is that please try to read page number 60 and page number 61. They already mentioned you about the nuclear fuels and the other, things here. So please try to read all. Then tomorrow, coming Monday, we are going to discuss again. Now, now, grammar လေးပါလေးနည်းနည်း highlight လုပ်ပေးပါမယ်နော်။ဆောင်းဝမ်းမှာထည့်မေးရင်ဖြေလို့ရအောင်နော်။ Okay တချို့နောက်အပိုင်းမှာ unit 9ကတော့ခြေလို့ကြော်သွားမှာ unit 9မှာမမထွေထူးထူးသင်စရာမရှိပါဘူးเนาะသူက data collection အကြောင်းပြောထားတယ်နောက်ပြီးတော့သူကဟိုကမပါဘူးဗာလဲ grammar point အများကြီးမပါဘူးအဲ့တော့ unit 9ကိုခြေလို့ကအမြဲတမ်းအတွက်ပယ်လိုက်တယ်ပေါ့เนาะဆိုခြေလို့တခြားတက်နေလည်းပယ်တယ်ဆိုတော့ unit 9ကတော့ခြေပယ်ပါမယ်เนาะအဲ့တော့ခြေလို့ဒီဟာလေးပြီးအောင်နောက်ပတ်လာမယ့် Monday မှာလုပ်မယ် unit 8သွားမယ်နော်မိတလောက်ခြေလို့တောက်လျှောက်ခက်တွတ်လေးသွားလိုက်မယ်เนาะပြီးတော့ somewhere ရှိတယ်เนาะ okay So, any questions so far? Okay, so thank you for joining today. Now, see you. Tata. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye,
Bye,
Chef.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye bye.